Good morning, sir. This is Sandeep from Computer Science Engineering Department. My video presentation is High Performance Liquid Chromatography, the short form HPLC chromatography. What is chromatography? Definition is a separation technique based on distributing a mixture components between two phases. The component separation is in the between two phases is called chromatography. In these two phases is there: stationary phase and mobile phase. What is stationary phase? The fixed immobilized material packed in column is called stationary phase, and mobilized phase is a solvent. It is liquid or gas, anything that moves through the column is called mobile phase. Principle: components separated based on their differing affinities means interactions with the stationary and mobile phase is called principle. This is a principle of the chromatography, and result becomes components travel at the different speeds leading to separation. Next. Introduction to HPLC chromatography. HPLC stands high performance liquid chromatography. In this key difference is it is an advanced form of liquid chromatography where the mobile phase is forced through the column under very high pressure up to 6,000 to 18,000 pounds per square inches. While high pressure, it allows use the very small tightly packed particles 3 to 5 mm in the column. Its benefits: achieve significantly higher efficiency, resolution, and speed than traditional gravity feed system. Let's observe the diagram. In the diagram, mobile phase solvent, stationary phase packing, injector mixture, and intermediate affinity, less affinity, and separated bands with the red color and yellow color, and lastly sky blue color. Core principles of HPLC chromatography. Let's know about what is the core principles of HPLC chromatography. Separation mechanism, part, partitioning and adsorption. Separation mechanism is partitioning and adsorption. Retention retention time. The time a component takes to travel through the column is the time is called retention time. Strong affinity for stationary phase. In this travels slowly and longer at retention time is called strong affinity for stationary phase, and strong affinity for mobile phase is travel faster and shorter retention time. The shorter retention of time. Let's output each component eludes means exits at a unique time, which is measured a detector. HPLC instrumentation. The HPLC system. Conceptual flow. Mobile phase reservoir is contains pump, injector means sample, separator, column, director, and data system or recorder. High pressure, high performance liquid chromatography is HPLC. HPLC. Let's know the diagram, and solvent pump, and through the solvent flow through a pump, and pumps to injector, and HPLC column is a director, and waste is go to outside, and it data are stored in the PC for data acquisition. Component 1: mobile phase and pump. Mobile phase reservoir stores solvents. It stores the solvents like mixtures of water, methanol, acetonitrile, like this. Requirements: must be digested gases moved to prevent bubbles that interfere with the detector. High pressure pump function delivers the mobile phase at a constant, precise, and high flow rate up to 4,000 atom or more. Type: commonly use a recipro- reciprocal reciprocating pump to minimize pressure pulsations. It is a this is no this is the this is component one. Component two, injector column. Sample injector function introduce a small fixed volume of the sample, typically 0.1 to 1000 ml, into the high pressure mobile phase flow common device. In this common device is a Riodyne valve is a common device in both. This is a switching loop injector. Separator column. Material stainless steel tubing is used in this, and packing contains the stationary phase like silica based particles 3 to 5 mu. Accessory. A guard, a guard column is placed before the analytical column to protect it from particulates and strongly retained components. Types of HPLC modes. Reserve phase chromatography means stationary phase non-popular. It is hydrophobic. Example C18. Mobile phase polar. Example water methanol mixture is a let's take these examples. Uses the most common mode for separating drug components and organic molecules. This is the types of HPLC modes. And normal phase chromatography (NPC) is a stationary phase. Polar is stationary phase is polar like silica, and mobile phase is non-polar like hexane. Uses used for the separating very polar or water sensitive components. Other modes: ion exchange and size ex- exclusion chromatography. And let's know applications in industries. Pharma, pharmaceutical analysis, purity testing of raw materials and fine drug products, quickly controls, mon- monitoring drug stability and identifying degradation product, environment, analysis of water, soil, pollutants and pesticides and industrial wastage, food, quality control testing for additives, prevent preservators, vitamins and sugar profiles, forensics and clinical uses is identify the substance in the body fluid or crime scene evidence. Advantages of HPLC: high resolution, excellent separation of complex mixtures, high sensitivity, can detect trace amounts of components, speed, it analyzes time compared to old methods, accuracy and precision. It provides highly reproducible and reliable quantitative results. Versatility applicable to non-volatile and thermal, thermic, thermally unstable components. Let's last one is conclusion summary. HPLC is an essential high-speed and precise analytical tool driven by high pressure impact. It has revolutionized analysis across pharmaceutical, environmental science, and quality control. Future continued development in small particle columns (UPLC) and highly sensitive detectors (LC) and MS is expanding its capabilities. And thank you. The presentation by you, Sandeep, from Computer Science Department. Thank you, sir.